स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ से क्लासेस में। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ISI M.Math का पेपर MMA और उस सीरीज में हम लोग आ चुके हैं क्वेश्चन 23 में। तो यहाँ पे इक्वेशन ऑफ द कर्व सेटिस्फाइंग दिया गया है, पासिंग थ्रू दिस हमको ये बोलना है। तो अगर हम लोग ये रीअरेंज करके लिखे सोचिए तो फिर y प्लस लॉग एक्स dx इज इक्वल टू x dy और dy by dx is equal to y plus log x by x. So this is a first order linear. Okay. So now dy by dx minus y by x is equal to log x by x. So now this is of the form dy by dx plus pxy is equal to qx with p of x is equal to minus half of x, minus 1 by x rather, and q of x is log x by x. So integrating factor e to the power minus half 1 by x dx. So that is e to the power minus log x. So that is 1 by x. Okay. So then multiply both sides. So half dy by dx minus y by x squared is equal to log x by x squared. Or we can say dy by dx is dy by dx or ddx of y by x is equals to log x by x square. So then first we will integrate the both sides. So y by x we will integrate by parts, y by x log x by x dx. So integration by part, let u be log x or du is equal to 1 by x dx and dv is equal to or v is equal to minus. So then log x by x square dx is equal to minus log x by x plus 1 by x square dx or minus log x by x minus 1 by x. So y by x will be minus log x by x minus 1 by x plus c. So if you write with initial conditions, so my y is equal to minus log x by x minus 1 by x plus c or y is equals to minus log x minus 1 plus cx. So we'll use initial conditions. Minus 1 is equal to minus log 1 minus 1 plus c of 1 or minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1 plus c. C is equals to 0. So the particular solution is y plus log x plus 1 is equal to 0. So my correct option is option A is the correct answer.